Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install 100% save game DR2. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search DR2 save file. Select press enter. As you can see, you will get this 100% save game save in Nexus modes. Select the first site and you just need to log into your account so that you can able to download it. Select the manual option and select the download. And scroll down and select the slow download option, and you just need to log into your account, guys. In my case, I already have the account. If you doesn't have the account, then select the register here option and create a new one. And now after logging in, just to close stuff here, just reload the page. Select the slow download option. It will be downloaded in 2 seconds. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, double click on again. And now you can able to see two folder name. You can use any one of these folder, guys. I'm going with the first author and copy this file and then check my video description for this save file location. Depends on the version, you just need to navigate to the location, guys. In my case, I have this Dodi. Just navigate to the location, guys. After you are in the profile folder, paste the file we copied and then just to close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, we are in the free room. Now you can enjoy the game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.